Well, hello, just another quick walk around video. The 2020 KTM 790. These relatively new thing. Obviously they've replaced the 690 with huge changes over the old single motor. I think this is the third one that's come through the shop, and it's the first time we've had a chance to actually grab a quick film of it. It is fitted with the, well, I assume they're optional, Akrapovic exhaust. It's got a nice deep bark to it, which we'll get to in a second. But just in general, the motor feels significantly smoother than the previous generation. I don't personally think it's got as big a torque hit as the old 690, but the smooth power delivery makes it a really nice bike to ride on the road. But then again, it is quite a lot more expensive. There's been a lot of talk online about where this bike's made and how much of a KTM it really is. I've seen a few people commenting on not having the hydraulic clutch, but to be honest, they still feel like a good quality bike. Very impressed with it. Love the dash. It's a really good bit of kit and it sounds awesome. Anyway, here's a quick clip of it starting up.